memories and laughs in all that I create.
Today we're making a fun craft for Valentine's Day. These cute paper heart boxes are inspired by the iconic Conversation heart candies. You'll just need double stick tape, scissors, a Jelly Roll Moonlight pen, and pastel cardstock. Begin by printing the free 2-page template by clicking the link in the video description. For best results, print on pastel cardstock. Start by cutting out the hearts along the solid black lines. Cut slits along each short solid black line as well. Flip over the larger heart to the unprinted side. For this next step, you may want to check out some candy conversation hearts for inspiration. Using a Jelly Roll Moonlight pen, write a message in the center using block letters. I love Jelly Roll Moonlight pens because the smooth ink really pops against colored paper. This shade is really similar to the color printed on the candy hearts. I'm going to outline the letters once more to make them extra bold. Using the dotted line as a guide, fold up the sides of each heart.
I don't feel afraid to innovate. Don't miss a chance to be creative. Don't. Why don't I try this at home? Try this at home.
Next, cut out the correlating strips from the second page of the template. Note that the 2 strips for the larger heart are longer. Make sure you keep each set of strips with the correct heart. Fold each strip inward along the dotted lines. If your nails aren't long, you may have trouble folding inward. If it's easier, you can pinch the paper together at the dotted lines, then go back and fold each segment inward at the crease.
I'm gonna make you a world with these 2 hands today. But I love memories and laughs in all that I create. I can't help feeling inspired whenever you smile. Gotta show you that you're the reason. I don't feel afraid to innovate. Don't miss a chance to be creative. Don't. Why don't I try this at home?
Add double stick tape along the bottom edge of the strip.
Try this at home.
Place the heart so the printed side is showing. Then, starting at the center valley of the heart, wrap the strip around the edge of the heart, adhering to the tabs on the side. The creases on the strip should correlate with the tabs. Flip the heart over and double check that the sides are aligned nicely and adhered firmly. Repeat with the second strip and with the other half of the box. Fill the box with candy, chocolates, or a handwritten love note. To get the free printable template, click the link in the video description. To learn more about Jelly Roll pens, check out my sponsor, sakuraofamerica.com. For hundreds more crafting tutorials, visit my website, madebymarzipan.com.
Try this at home.